plantar fasciitis is actually, again, one of those things which is to do with tight ligaments and systemic inflammation in the body. If you've got sore ankles, any kind of pain around your feet, it really is to do with a number of different things that's going on in your body. I always start with a liver and blood cleansing kind of treatment, because you can't go past helping your body to detoxify, to make sure that the inflammation, which we already know inflammation is a substance, needs to be eliminated from the system. Second to that, I'd be using something like pain relieving herbs. So I have an anti-inflammatory formula that I like to use, as well as something that's almost like an anti-gout. So making sure that any sort of gouty processes and rheumatoid processes are removed from the system. Then we look at repair. So we want to have herbs that are going to be nourishing and repairing. So, millet and linseed is something good to be in your diet. Rose hips is very good to be in your diet. Minimising red meat, minimising sugar, minimising alcohol, particularly red wine if there's gouty processes occurring. And then topically, you would use something like an oil that's got comfrey in there, say a linseed oil. We make a really nice ligament rub, which is really beautiful for this kind of thing. That's also got pain relieving herbs in there. It's got arnica in there to help reduce pain topically. So safe to use, so simple to use. A lot of people that experience these kinds of things, diet does play a big role. So I would ask you to either contact me. We do have that free consultation service. It's the form online. Tell me what you're eating. Let me know what's happening there, because once I understand, I can give more specific advice. Generally speaking, though, with anything like rheumatoid arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, the process is fairly standard. Because once you address the underlying toxification issues, supporting organs, we can do quite a lot to help you feel more comfortable and certainly move around and repair damage.